one time I thought it would be funny to transform my actual car into an Easter egg.
You f***ing spray painted your own car?
As you may know, I have done many things to my vehicle. Covering it in AstroTurf, growing it into a live Chia Pet, I even covered it in 9,000 pop sockets. But before all of that, it was Easter, and I decided to make it stupidly festive. I love making things more outrageous, and I figured my sweet ride was already egg-shaped, so why not cover it in 10 coats of electric green paint with a big old crack to look just like an Easter egg.
What do you think?
Did you do this yourself?
Yes.
Looks like an Easter egg, so it's perfect for Easter.